If you have enabled VoiceOver on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, and if you want to know how you can turn it off from the lock screen, so in this video I will show you the method. First of all, just press the side button on your iPhone and open the lock screen, then swipe up from the bottom of the screen slowly. Now from here, just enter your lock screen passcode. For that, just tap on the number to select it, then double tap to enter. Now just do the same with all the other numbers. After you go to the home screen, now just swipe with 3 fingers on the home screen to go into the different pages. Now just select the Settings app, then double tap to enter. Now from here, just select any settings from the Settings app, then swipe up with 3 fingers. And from here, just tap on Accessibility to select it, then double tap to enter. Now just tap on VoiceOver, then double tap to enter. Now from here, just tap on VoiceOver to select it, then double tap on the switch to disable it. And once you do that, you will disable VoiceOver on your iPhone. Now there is also another method to disable VoiceOver directly from the lock screen. Now let's enable the VoiceOver and let's go to the lock screen. Now if you have enabled Siri on your iPhone, you can disable VoiceOver directly from the lock screen. Just say, "Hey Siri, disable VoiceOver."
Okay, I've turned VoiceOver off.
And once you do that, Siri will disable VoiceOver for you, just like that. And this is how you can turn off VoiceOver when you're on the lock screen on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.